Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create or register into a Zedge account. In order to create an account or in order to register into a Zedge account, what you need to do is first thing you need to install the application. And so for that, open up your Play Store and then on the search box type in Zedge. And since I've already installed the application, so I have opened. In your case, if you haven't installed the application, then it won't be an install button, so you need to click on it. After you're done installing the app, you need to open it up. Now tap on accept and continue, which is right at the bottom. After you mark on the terms and condition, you'll be taken to this kind of interface. So to create an account, you need to tap on the travel icon located in the top left corner of your screen. So once you tap on the travel icon, you can go on tapping on My Zedge, or you can either tap on login, which is right on top. After you do this, you'll be taken to this kind of interface where you'll be able to sign up using any of these following options, such as you can either continue with your Google account, Facebook, or continue with email. So select the method whichever is convenient. Since I want to go with the email, so I'll just tap on email, and now you need to provide in your email address. Once you're done typing in your email, tap on next. Now you'll be asked to enter in a verification code that will be sent to an email. So once you're done entering your verification code, after that you'll be taken to this page where you'll need to create a username and a password. And you also need to provide in your date of birth for the verification of your age. After done providing your details, mark on the terms and condition and click on finish, which is right at the bottom. And as you can see, if you tap on the travel icon, you'll be able to see the menu page and where you'll be able to see your profile name or your username. So as you can see that the account has been created, and in this way you can create your Zedge account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.